And my next guest today is Richard Osborne from ViTrox Technologies. Great to see you, Richard.
Good to see you, Trevor. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. So I think the latest thing you've got on the booth this week is a new X-ray platform, the QX1.
That's absolutely correct, and it's been a big hit. You know, as you know, we're the world's largest supplier of AXI systems. Mm-hmm. We're known for ease of use and speed,
right,
and being able to do 100% board coverage. And we're continuing these traits with this new technology. And currently, this new technology, this QX1, is geared towards the AI server boards. Okay. There's a couple components that go on those that are very challenging, mm-hmm. and we're demonstrating that we can repeatedly and successfully inspect these things, looking for defects.
What sort of challenges does it bring? Is it reflection?
They're very heavily shaded parts.
Right.
Both chip and connector.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So now we're not stopping there by any means. We can do 100% board coverage, but those are the two things that are really drawing everybody to us right now.
Right. Well, it's certainly very timely to be bringing out a dedicated machine for that.
I believe so, yes, sir.
Yeah, I know, and I don't know. I mean, they're building these data centers at a rate of knots at the moment, you know, but they've got all sorts of challenges associated with them. So there's no shortage of things to do.
You're absolutely correct, and we're engaged with far more than just the server boards, the connectivity that goes into the data centers, the connectivity that goes into each one of the server boards. Mm. We're engaged with the manufacturing of those things as well.
Right. Wow. Well, you've got quite a range. So you've got a range of inspection systems, period. You've also got a range of very detailed robotics, both in-air robotics, enclosed robotics. Tell us the different robotic automation tools that you have.
Sure. And I think what you just said is a key term, the automation, because that's really what we're focused on is automation across the board. So we've had what we call our V9 series for a number of years, and it's a collaborative robot. So it can operate in space, in the open air. There's no danger to it.
Right.
If you were to encounter it, it's got very low pressure and it would stop. Right. We also have an industrial robotic inspection system that does come in a full enclosure, because the industrial robot will keep moving if it encounters something. So for safety, it has to be enclosed. That system has a conveyor that's integral in it. Mm-hmm. That system is also has a 3D sensor on it, which is there's none other in the market. So it's a very, very unique system.
Mm-hmm. I think the key difference between the two, though, is the in-air system works at a slower rate, though, a slower speed.
Yeah.
Whereas the industrial one, it can really ramp up.
That's precisely right.
Yeah.
The cobot is going to be much slower than the industrial robot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then supporting that, you've also got some AGRs and things.
We do. We have AGRs and AFRs, automated forklift robotics. So this is all tying into part of the automation process, mm-hmm. the automation focus that we have. So we can fully automate a factory that's using all of our inspection solutions with almost no human interaction. It's actually pretty fascinating to see in action. We have it going.
Right. And of course, at the center of all this and controlling it is your V1 software.
That's right. The V1 it's a very powerful tool. Even here at the show, we were able to open some eyebrows to people that have been existing users, and it's not a stagnant piece of software either. It's something we're constantly developing. All of our inspection equipment can tie into it, but also the robots, whether mm-hmm. it's an inspection robot or an AGR or an AFR, can tie into it as well.
Right. Right, that's excellent. That's excellent. So, quite a suite of equipment and software there, and you seem to be growing at a rate of knots as a company.
We've been very blessed, and we are. Actually, I've got an active rec to hire another support person. So if you're out there and are looking for a great company to come to work for, look me up. I'd love to hear from you.
Well, I can second the fact that it's a great company to work for. I mean,
wow, thank you.
I visited your headquarters in Malaysia, and I was shocked. It was more like a Google campus, and yeah, you had some wonderful things that you did for your employees. I don't.
Yeah, a lot of people will say that they're people focused, but I think ViTrox actually walks that walk. It's a key thing. I'm very blessed within U.S. North America, in that we've had no employee turnover.
Right.
All of the people that we've added to the team has truly been an addition.
Right.
So I think that makes us pretty unique.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then ViTrox is also a very philanthropic company as well.
That's correct. Yeah.
So they not only look after their employees, but they look after the wider community too. So,
they absolutely do, and they strongly encourage us as employees to get engaged with the community and see what we can do to help out.
Yeah, that's great. Great. Well, lots going on there, Richard. I want to thank you for coming in and giving us an update, and wish you continued success.
Thank you for having me, Trevor. It's good seeing you.
Okay, thank you.